Say
I got a Spartan race.
Yes, you got a Spartan race. Face Nanny. Keep rolling. Say, my name is Apollo.
My name's Apollo.
Say, I am 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
Today.
Today.
And I'm going to do
I am going to
3 burpees.
3 burpees.
Okay, let's go. 1. Go ahead, AJ. 1, 2, go on. Jump. Come on, let's go.
Up and down.
And push. And up. And up. And one more. Come on. Down. Go on. And up. And feet. And jump. Say, my name is Apollo.
My name's Apollo.
And today I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
My name is Apollo.
My name's Apollo.
And today I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old.
And I'm going to do 3 burpees.
I am going to 3 burpees. I am going to do 3 burpees.
Okay. Do your burpees.
To take your helmet off.
Do your burpees, AJ.
No, don't rest.
And down. Age, where you going? You need your sneakers?
Should I continue, David?
Yeah, keep rolling. No sneakers, no sneakers, no sneakers. Come on. No.
No sneakers. Do the burpees.
Okay. Cut.
I had the medicine.
You have medicine?
Yes.
Okay, well, do your burpees. Uh-oh.
Whoppa.